Rotating cap for optimum and precise control. Color-coded ring and hot-stamped cap marking for quick identification. Cushion grip handle for greater comfort. Heat-treated precision ground tip for greater strength. Made in USA. Designed for precision work, Klein's electronic screwdrivers feature a rotating cap for optimum control. Made of the highest quality tempered steel, carefully heat-treated for maximum strength, and precision ground to fit screw openings securely. Rotating caps and Klein's exclusive cushion grip handles offer outstanding comfort and control. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality, professional-grade hand tools that deliver the performance, durability and precision needed to get the job done right. Top reviews from the United States. Best screwdrivers. As an electrician, screwdrivers are a key to work. For me, Klein is the best. Strong and very comfortable handles. This little screwdriver is perfect for small terminations and keeping in your bags. Very light, don't even know it's there.